Well, hello to everybody watching this video. Yes, I did come to a new place, as you can probably see right here. This is the rooftop of my house. It's on the terrace of my house that I'm shooting the video right here from the rooftop of my house. It's early morning time now. It's probably 5:45 in the morning, and soon everything is going to be operating. And yeah, it feels good today. The weather, the sunshine, the sun is shining right there. Anyways, guys, so in today's video, I'm specifically going to talk about the importance of pronunciations and accent. And specifically, I'm going to be talking about how you can actually change your accent without bothering too much about your articulators in the mouth. So I don't want to be distracted by the surrounding environment or atmosphere. So let's get started without any further ado. Anyway, so I just relocated my camera right here on the top of a cylindrical container and shooting this video. Yes, so I want to talk about accent. Now, what is accent actually? It's nothing other than part of your identity. Identity as who you are actually as a person. Everybody has gotten their own form of pronunciations and accents. Some may have British accent, some may have Indian accent, some may have American accent, Canadian accent, Australian accent. No matter to the point, whatever accent is unique in its own form, in its characteristic. So, an accent is basically how people from a particular region or place pronounce the sounds of a language. And with English being the global language, there are specifically lots of, or rather, I should say, hundreds of accents spread across the world. Now, if I want to talk about how you can change your accent, so changing accent can be really challenging and daunting. So, I want to specify, especially if you want to change your accent. It can be from Indian to British or American. It doesn't matter to the point. The point is that you want to change your accent, right? So now the thing is how? How can you change your accent? Well, there are a couple of tips. There are a couple of, or rather, I should say, methods that can work as wonders if you wish to change your accent. First, you have to work on your articulators of the mouth. You have to identify the certain mistakes that you're making in the way, in the process of articulations of certain certain words or pronunciations of certain words and stuffs. Let's say that you pronounce this word water as something like water, water, and you may pronounce word like book as book, book. This is my book instead of pronouncing this is my book. So, here are things which comes with a quote to pronunciations of getting to know, rather I should say getting to know about the pronunciations of certain vowel sounds, consonant sounds, learn the stress patterns, how your articulators are going to move in the way of pronouncing words and stuffs, and how you can actually move your mouth muscles or trigger your jaw and the mouth muscles in with the accord to its actual native and natural normal rhythmic pronunciation. Now let's come to the example which I said just a few moments before, that this is my book. Now a non-native speaker might pronounce it like this is my book. So why does it happen? It only happens because you were not likely pronouncing the words by exactly triggering those articulators in the mouth exactly like a native British speaker. Your articulators in the mouth are probably moving in the wrong way. So, you have to understand the nuances of those targeted vowel sounds, how they are pronounced or triggered within the mouth structure. You have to understand the anatomy of how those articulated sounds function or triggered in the way that they yield the native pronunciation. So, basically, in a nutshell, you have to retrain your mouth muscles, your jaw, your tongue, your lips, your teeth, everything. Now, you might think that it's quite harder to do. Well, of course, it's definitely going to prove as harder in the beginning, but once you over exaggerate the mouth movements, you may feel some kind of pain persisting, persisting in your jaw muscles, or maybe it might get to the point where you overdo, over articulate, or exaggerate those muscles. So that can work pretty well in improving your pronunciation. Because if you want to achieve something, you have to have some sufferings, right? If you want to achieve something, So, no pain, no gain is what you're gonna have to go through. If you want to achieve something, then you have to work harder for it. With that, you can change your accent. You can sound more natural, more normal in your English. That's really what you have got to do. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope this finds you helpful. Thank you.